Welcome to 75 Vessel Crescent, a wonderful 3-bedroom linked home with 3 washrooms situated within the highly sought-after waterfront community of Port Union Village in East Toronto. A new interlocking walkway leads to the raised covered front entrance, and at the end of the sunken tiled entry hall are hardwood steps to a hardwood landing with 2 other sets of hardwood stairs, one to the lower ground level and another to the main level principal rooms. At the east end of the main hall is a walkout onto a covered balcony overlooking the street, and next to it, the light-filled living room. Accentuating the bright, spacious aura of this elegant, entertaining area is its almost full wall of windows and a light, neutral color palette that is carried throughout the entire home. Bringing a rich, warm feel to the room is hardwood flooring, which is continued through the hall to the family room, while the soaring ceiling height of the foyer enhances the open theme layout of this level. Off a short ceramic tiled hall is both a coat closet and a powder room with a pedestal sink, while the main hall leads to the spacious family room, its west-facing exposure giving this relaxing, entertaining space a bright, airy atmosphere. Both the kitchen and its breakfast area feature ceramic flooring and contemporary light fixtures, and the kitchen also showcases a new stainless steel double-door fridge with bottom-mount freezer, an oven with gas cooktop, built-in dishwasher and microwave, exceptional cabinetry storage, and plenty of counter workspace with a stainless steel double sink. And the west-facing window of the breakfast area floods abundant natural light into these spaces. To the upper level is a hardwood staircase, and this level showcases new hardwood flooring throughout, 3 bedrooms, and 2 washrooms. The second and third bedrooms are quite spacious, have single closets that offer ample storage, and both have 2 large east-facing windows allowing for beautiful morning light. These bedrooms share the main 4-piece washroom, which has a ceramic tiled floor as well as a bath area with a sliding glass shower door, and there is a linen closet off the staircase landing for nearby convenience. Graciously sized, with space for a sitting area, as well as enjoying the afternoon light of a west-facing exposure, the master bedroom showcases an ensuite washroom with tiled finishes throughout, a soaker tub, and a separate shower area. And the bedroom is complete with a large walk-in closet. Located in a great family-minded community, this home enjoys close proximity to the Port Union Skate Park, a public library, the Charlottetown Tennis Club, Bill Hancock's and Charlottetown Parks, as well as being just a short walk to Port Union Waterfront Park, Rouge Hill Beach, and the Waterfront Trail, and is also within the catchment areas of Charlottetown Junior and Joseph House Senior Public Schools, as well as Sir Oliver Mowat Collegiate Institute. The lower ground level recreation area is bright, generously sized, and finished with new laminate flooring. This level also has storage under the staircase, a laundry area with washer and dryer, a rough-in for a washroom, as well as access to the double-car garage. And this home also features a new roof. Off the recreation area is a sliding door walkout to a fully fenced backyard, recently and fully landscaped with stone interlocking for a low-maintenance outdoor entertaining space. This wonderful home is also walking distance to TTC bus service, a shopping plaza, as well as the Rouge Hill GO station, while the West Rouge Community Centre and access to Highway 401 are just minutes away by car. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.